Hello everyone. Okay, let's start. As always, welcome everyone on Sunday stream. Today we're going to talk about weekly watch list. This is my usual stream where I explain stuff like where price can go, we look at economic calendar, like based on it, looking like for the best days to trade, and so on. Okay, so as always, start with an economic calendar. Monday, nothing special, should be great day for trading. Tuesday, GPY, it's a bank holiday, so most likely we're gonna have a low amount of liquidity in the market. So price action probably will be slow, but overall we can easily trade. Wednesday CPI, usually during CPI price action is not that bad, so we can trade like Wednesday as well. Thursday it's a PPI day, but it's gonna be before the bell, so price action should be fine. During PPI days it's a bit can be a bit sketchy, but overall should be fine. And on Friday, consumer sentiment on 5 p.m, but it's a Friday. We usually skip it overall, or like trade. We'll see. Maybe we'll find like some interesting setups. So overall, like good trading week, but keep in mind, guys, it's August, and for next like 3 to 4 weeks, like usually like for next like 4 weeks, price action can be difficult like to trade, and it can be low liquidity in the market, but we'll see. Overall it looks great overall. Now let's go to the chart. As always, we're gonna start with DXI. Always will start with this from my post that I sent you in my Telegram group. I also send it in trading chat. Most likely, it have to go on high time frames. Price will still keep going higher unless it was deviation, this one, and we have a big range here, so price can like dive here all the way down, and then reverse, go like higher, or like keep going lower. So we can have range right there, this one. Let me show you. This can be range. Like if you reverse, you probably see that this is a spring on a Wyckoff, and we will have expansion all the way up. Also, if we open euro, I explained that we probably inside of the range, top of the range, bottom of the range. We just had deviation, and price will go all the way up, and we will have final expansion for the next 2-3 months, all the way up like 8%, 8.2%. So it's possible. Don't forget about it. So right now we're just like looking how price will behave itself at 99.4. So like after like 99.4, if we're gonna have deviation here, price can go upwards, plus some correlation with the GPY, but it's another story. We can talk about it maybe like during like trading week. I can explain the stuff on one of the lessons, a correlation between USD and GPY and how the system works in general. Okay, so as I said, Euro USD, we might have deviation here. Let me open this chart here. We had deviation here. We still have this daily fair gap, so if it's gonna be correction to this daily fair gap, most likely we're gonna see it. But when, I have no idea. But it looks like fine. The thing is, what I like, why I do not consider to open like long position yet, because we inside of daily forward gap and we close inside of it. So still we can have like bearish reaction all the way down towards this forward gap right here. Right, I will consider to open long only if euro gonna close on a daily time frame all the way up here above this forward gap. British pound, maybe no, like I don't know, like it's extremely difficult to read. It's probably like we're inside of the range, and this is a huge consolidation. A couple years ago we had similar price action on a euro, maybe 3 years ago, and better to skip it and just like wait. If you also, guys, if you want me to check like some specific tickers, like let me know in trading chat or in premium chat or chat on the stream. I will be happy to check it out for you. Gold, as I mentioned before on the streams, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have expansion, so price will pump all the way. So my final target is gonna be like 4900. So for now I'm expecting like little pullback towards this like forward gap in discount and go all the way up. So this is my view for the next few months, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna see this in near future, also based on some news context that we have. Uncertainty on the markets, fear of like AI bubble. Gold became like, and it was, but it became like more like protective assets rather than speculative assets. Okay, yeah, silver exactly the same. 78.87, most likely gonna be next target. Also clean range here, so yeah, it looks like a little pullback to like this area. It should be seen on 3 days. Yeah, on 3 days it looks perfect. This forward gap here, little pullback till 60, so around like 5% drop, and moving upwards towards I said like 78, right? Yeah, 78, around like this area, daily time frame. Yeah, here we go. Maybe even higher, guys, maybe even higher, maybe 95 or higher, we'll see. So if you want to buy spot, I think it's a great great place like to buy it, but I would wait for 60 16 or so, and like where I'll start accumulate my spot position. German 40, it was all-time high. Price did deviation here. I don't know, maybe this is range, maybe not. I cannot check it with the volume because German 40 doesn't provide like volume for it's like tickers. So this is 15 minutes forward gap. Like I see like two options: reaction from this forward gap and move downwards, or further expansion all the way up. So I will prefer skip it. That's it. Nasdaq. Still we didn't test like 0.5 here, so like I don't know, maybe it can be reaction. We might have reaction from this order block. Have to wait. Breaking above this order block, so it will be sorry, order block. So it will become breaker block, like test of it and further expansion all the way up, or reaction from this order block, then move downwards towards towards discount and then expansion like a higher, or like it's gonna be like sell off and that's it. We'll keep going lower. So like three scenario right here, like two bearish and one bullish, and bullish only after breaking above. SPX exactly the same. It's all-time high, but it tested discount here. So it tested discount. So if we're gonna see like expansion all the way up, only after breaking above this order block. So it's exactly the same, similar price action. So I would wait here for clarification. Dow Jones, let's remove all of it. For Dow Jones, beauty on a Dow Jones was that we didn't test like premium, so I would say expansion all the way up towards this favorable gap and then move downwards, or continue expansion all the way up. So like I don't see like any other options. Ethereum. We're still in discount, so this price action is similar from like, so I drew it when like 2 weeks ago, like nothing changed like from my perspective. I don't like trading crypto, but little pullback, and then expansion all the way up. Thought it was like 2k, maybe like 2.2k. Nothing changed. Like same, so similar price action. And BTC, yeah, I still believe that the price will go till like 71k. So like nothing changed from my forecast in the last like 2 weeks. Something like this, guys. Do you have any questions? Guys? If you don't, it's gonna be that's it for today. Let's check USD same. GPY, same. GPY, same. Swiss franc. New Zealand USD is kind of looks strong, so make big expansion to 0.6122. How much is this? Like 4%, almost 4%. So worth like looking at, but it has this daily forward gap. So this pair you have to trade like 4 hours, like daily time frame. Set alert here. On 4 hours it's expansion, right? Yeah, we have expansion already. We have a break of structure and then church and then break of structure. So we have expansion all the way up, but don't like this equal highs. Sorry, double top. No, I would skip it. Oil, baby, oil. We in long poi got reaction from this gap, like went down to this fairway gap on the daily time frame. Right now we're inside of this daily fairway gap. I still believe price will keep going higher. If we break down below, it can be like two options. First option, we have a huge range, so there we go. We're gonna have deviation, price gonna move upwards or like downwards, like whatever, like this. So this is bottom of the range, this is top of the range, right? So it's just like scenario when we consider this to have a range, and price inside right now is inside of this range, and like I don't know what is going on. So let's use this one, and most likely this is a range, and I don't know, will it go like upwards first and then downwards, or it's gonna be the downwards and like upwards. I have no idea. So this is one option. Second option, adjust reaction from fair gap. We don't have like any range here. Yeah, we don't have any range here, and the price will keep going high all the way up towards 120. But it requires like some news confirmation, so most likely some sort of conflict with Iran once again. So hard to tell. Hard to tell. So that's it. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Bye.